What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So guys, today's video is gonna be over how you can fix your uneven chest, because I get a lot of questions about this still, even though I've made a couple videos. And so I'm gonna give you guys 3 workouts that helped me fix my uneven chest. I'll post videos and photos just to help you guys see my little, I guess, progression while I was doing it. So uneven chest, first of all, what is it? It's whenever, or pectus, it's whenever a piece of your bone comes out, like in your chest, like right here, and so it looks weird. Your chest looks deformed, it doesn't look even, and there is things you can do about it to help it stop looking as bad, because I have it and it doesn't look as noticeable now as whenever I was a kid. So first thing, the basic exercise you can do to kind of get rid of it, you know what I'm saying, build muscle over it to where it's not showing, and it is the push-up. The push-up alone helped me put on a bit of chest muscle to cover it up. Okay, the push-up is something you could do at home, do 100 a day, and I promise you it will not look as bad anymore. But yeah, definitely the push-up is the very first exercise that you guys can do to kind of make it stop looking as bad. Exercise number 2 is the bench press. Everybody's favorite workout, man. The bench press can help you 100%. It's probably my very favorite one for building your chest muscle and kind of getting rid of the pectus, okay? So the bench press, just focus on getting stronger and stronger when it comes to the bench press. And by the time your bench press is above body weight, you should have it covered for the most part. By the time I was benching over my body weight, I had enough muscle to where it wasn't that noticeable anymore. But yeah, bench press. On to number 3. Number 3 has to be the chest fly, okay? The chest fly is so important, man. And it's often it's a chest exercise that some people neglect. A lot of people, when they think chest, they think bench press, incline, decline, dumbbells. They just think you have to bench, when in reality, flies will absolutely transform your chest. I got a video coming soon about how good the chest flies are. But yeah, go find a cable machine, man, and do some flies, because flies are absolutely amazing, and they will 100% build up your chest muscle and cover the little uneven portions, I guess. Exercise number 4 has to be weighted crunches. Now, some of you are thinking, why am I doing an ab workout to cover pectus? Because oftentimes, pectus affects you right here, right where the upper abs and the lower chest meet. So if you're not working your abs, it might look weird down there, man. And so if you do your upper abs as well as your chest, then that's gonna absolutely get rid of it to the full, like, it's gonna be gone. You're gonna barely be able to notice it. Obviously, it's always gonna be there. It's always gonna be a bit uneven, but there are things you can do to make it look less major / less obvious. But yeah, besides that, if you do those 4 and you manage to get all those exercises stronger, then 100% you're gonna notice change. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And it's been your boy Phil. Peace.